Hey guys, we're going to be looking at what is a blockchain. So on Crypto Basics today, article by Kevin Dwyer. I'm going to be reading this article written by about some year back. So guys, if this is your first time of coming to our YouTube channel, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube videos. We drop updates on crypto trends and more, guys. So you want to stay notified, turn on notification. Table of contents, blockchain explained, how information is stored. So there's a video here. I want to play it. I'll still be dropping a link in the description box so you get access to this. It says ever since this innovation, blockchain technology has been the center of attention in the world of blockchain and innovation. Many people, most cryptocurrencies have their own blockchain, and some currencies are now blockchain based, like IOTAs, Tango, and that's more rare. CoinMarketCap blockchain experience for year more. So the blockchain definition, blockchains are made up of series of individual blocks. Each block contains information about transactions conducted within a given period of time. So they also contain a unique identifier to differentiate them from every other block in the chain. So blockchain technology is innovative software behind cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin. It is a digital ledger of transactions that uses computers to verify and secure transactions. So blockchain technology has been recognized as one of the most disruptive technologies since the internet itself. So blockchain is rapidly growing technology that deals with transactions and of goods and services, online transfers or payments, conceived as a centralized ledger for digital currency, Bitcoin. Blockchain technology is now used to record and verify all manner of transactions on every continent, including the transfer of assets like real estate or securities, as well as votes in elections from football tournaments to corporate shareholders meetings. So how this information is stored, each block is a digital record that contains the time of purchase, purchase amount, and two parties involved in transaction. Transaction can be traced by a hash, unique code made by numbers and letters that is generated every time a purchase is made with cryptocurrency. The hash can be thought as the DNA strand of a transaction and cannot be altered once the transaction has been completed and sent to the blockchain. So each new transaction is added to end of the blockchain. As more and more people make crypto transactions, the height of the blockchain grows. Every transaction must be verified before it gets added to the ledger. So generally, blockchain transactions are fast. However, the speed of transaction depends on several factors, including type of currency, cryptocurrency. For instance, some cryptocurrencies have faster transaction rates than others, which is the TPS, transaction processing speed. As an example, although most Bitcoin transactions can be completed in 10 minutes or less, some Bitcoin transactions can take days to confirm. Such delays can occur. There's high volume of transaction and decrease in hash rate. When a transaction is made over a blockchain, miners work to process the hash and confirm the transaction into a respective block. Each block for Bitcoin is capped at 1 MB, which means it can get competitive to have a transaction included in the present block. Uh, Blockchain technology, looking at what makes it revolutionary, cuts out the middleman in any transaction, creating an immutable record on its ledger. So this is one of the major stuffs that makes it unique and revolutionary. The security of the blockchain rests largely on the concept behind distributed ledger. Blockchain is not stored in a single place, rather its data is stored in nodes, computers, and servers all due to peer-to-peer nature of the blockchain, no centralized agency can own or edit this information, providing for greater security and more. Hacking the entire blockchain network would be nearly impossible, though a hacker could potentially alter some few aspects of the data. There is no centralized system to attack. You can also check out what the role of nodes in blockchains are. So nodes are the safekeepers of any blockchain and have a huge responsibility which they play in blockchains. The nodes are foundational to the blockchain as they provide the decentralized ledger that makes it possible to circumnavigate central power structures. So since nodes are difficult to set up and maintain, node operators and owners are rewarded in cryptocurrency for parts they play. So when their node is used to authenticate and verify transactions, they are rewarded a small piece of the network fee. So this is one of the major originations of gas fees and network fees. So the role for miners in the blockchain, so miners have a role that is different from nodes in the blockchain. Miners nodes are used to store complex copies of the blockchain. Miners are responsible for validating blocks that are composed of a number of transactions. So look at how many transactions can be stored in the block. So the number of blocks transactions on each block will vary greatly, but the average Bitcoin block comprises about 2,800 transactions. So Litecoin comes in at only 2.5 minutes to Bitcoin's 10. How NFTs stored in the blockchain. So non-fungible tokens are stored on the blockchain as unique digital assets, mostly the Ethereum chain, which stores these on blockchains. Then the biggest and most valuable blockchain, we have Bitcoin and Ethereum. There are nearly 688,000 blocks currently mined on the Bitcoin blockchain and another around 10 million blocks on the Ethereum blockchain. Do you want to take note of those values? So how can blockchains speak to each other? There are many operations in place now to increase interoperability between blockchains to facilitate for free and easy flow of information. So these are some of the new innovations we're expecting in the blockchain world. Other blockchains like Polkadot have made it their purpose to create better interoperability in the blockchain ecosystem. They allow for transfers of any type of data or assets across blockchains. We're going to look at why blockchains usually open source. So blockchains are usually open source because by nature they are collaborative and decentralized organization. For example, since there is no central company behind BTC, it needs developers to contribute to the network on a volunteer basis. However, developers are sometimes rewarded for their efforts by sponsors from crypto organizations. The what are uses of blockchain outside of cryptocurrency? So when most people think of blockchain, their mind goes to cryptocurrency and decentralized finance. Some blockchains usually require decentralized support of nodes and mining. They most often reward operators with native crypto tokens. However, beyond the digital currency rewards, are incredible implications behind this new technology that could shake up a huge number of industries, as supply chains, ownership, and NFTs, government, social medias, Internet of Things, and more, guys. So this is by no means an all-inclusive list. There will be other uses as blockchain technology expands, and many expect that blockchain will soon become an integral part of our lives. It is unknown which digital currency will be the most prominent in 10 years, but we know that blockchain technology is here to stay. So guys, that's all we have on this news review on blockchains. I'll be dropping a link in the description box so you can read more on this and other articles on CoinMarketCap. Stay tuned for more. Stay subscribed to our YouTube channel for more updates. Peace out.